What's up, guys? Outdoor Flying here. Welcome back to my first video in the bunker building series. We got the boy back here.
What's up?
Hey, so this is what day?
This is day 10.
This is day 10, but this is my first day. I filmed my intro video here today, so I already did some work on it, but I'm gonna have like my first original clips from the boy's channel. So yeah, make sure you go follow him. His Instagram will be right here, and his YouTube channel will be in the description. Make sure to go follow him. So let's go check it out. Also, I did a ton of work. This is the boy's reaction to seeing it.
This is honestly longer than my
That's pretty short.
No, look, this is actually really good.
Yeah, so
you like, yeah.
it was like half of this. That's this big. This is the drain. It's a little bit dark, but all right. See you guys in the time lapse. All right, so this is what we have so far. We made it pretty long. You can barely see anything, but I mean the time lapse lasted a long while. We have a big like mound of dirt right there. We got the boy here, so I'll update you guys tomorrow. We're gonna keep digging, and I'll take another update in the light. So yeah, the boys. Make sure to go follow him.
We've just been grinding, like, dude, we're sweating. It's
all the way, dude. It's
not even that hot out. We've just been working.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna keep working. I'll give you guys an update tomorrow. The boys here. Make sure to
subscribe to my YouTube, follow my Instagram.
Because like half of the first part is gonna be all him. Because like the first part, it's gonna be like his stuff. Because
he wasn't here yet.
So yeah, make sure to go follow him, and full video on his channel, on my channel too. But first clips are him. So yeah. What's up, guys? Outdoor Flying here. Welcome back to day 12. Of bunker building. We're back here with Gavin's Cove. As always, link in description. We're just gonna do another time lapse. So yeah, we did quite a lot of digging yesterday. I'll show that to you guys really quick. But yeah, just more digging right now. We extended it pretty long. It's like 12 feet now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably like 12 feet. So yeah, we'll just show it to you guys. All right, so we're here. Yeah, you guys can see it's a lot deeper. So yeah, it was probably like this deep. Now it's all the way out to here. So yeah. All right, so yeah, even more digging and another time lapse. What's up, guys? So we're back with another update, and 16 feet long. We completed the entire length of the bunker. Just go around here. Look at this. This is a 16-foot long measuring tape. All the way.
192 inches is 16 feet. So it's probably about like right here.
Yeah, 192 inches is 16 feet.
And then it goes all the way back.
And
so it's
right here. So
16.4 probably.
16.4. That's insane, dude. And we did this in, I don't know, 12 days.
12 days. Well, like most of them were by myself. We only had 2 days together.
Dude, the 3 days of just working together. Like when I first came here, the hole was just from like here, just like that. It just barely had the drain. This was the hole just when I first arrived. And now look at this. All the way over here, 16 feet. Actually a bit more than 16 feet. This is gonna be the best bunker ever, dude. This is gonna be insane. 16 feet. So now we're just gonna work on the width and the depth. More updates coming soon. Thanks to this bud, and we got our help right here. So yeah, alrighty, what's up everyone? Welcome back to day 13. Yesterday's video got to 16 feet, so Yeah, you guys can see it's 16 feet long now, but it's not as wide over here, and it's definitely not 8 feet wide and 8 feet deep, so we gotta still do that. I'm alone today, the boy isn't with me, so yeah, I'm not gonna get too much done today, but you know, I'll do whatever I can. I gotta get rid of this pile of dirt here, because we gotta expand this way, and this thing's blocking us, so I'll just throw that down into the creek. Yeah, I got another time lapse for you. Nothing else to say. I'm just working alone today, but the boy will be here for day 14, hopefully. Hopefully he will be here, but if not, you guys will see me again alone. So yeah, that's pretty much all for day 14. I'm mostly just gonna expand the width. Not really gonna do anything about the depth, because yeah, I don't have too much time right now, but you know, I'll do as much as I can. So yeah, time lapse time. What's up, guys? Another update. I've been working for I don't even know how long. It's super humid out here. So one of the reasons it's been super hard to work is because look at this stuff. So if you can't see, the stuff that I'm shoveling out is just like pieces of huge clay, and these things are not coming off with the shovel. So like not coming off with the shovel if I like dig from above. Like look at this stuff. So I have to like go in from the side and like try and scrape it off there, or just chuck this boy out. So yeah, it's super hard, dude, and it's super humid out here. But alright, I'm gonna get back to work. I just wanted to show you guys this thing. Like, look, you can even see it's like the wall right there. Like this is not dirt. This is clay. This is falling clay. Like that's dirt up here. This stuff. Like this is dirt. But right here, this is just full on clay. Like I can mold this with my hands. This is just full on clay right here, and it's super hard to dig out. So yeah, so it's just an update. I'm gonna get back to the time lapse. So yeah, let's go. Alrighty guys, so I think I'm done for today. It's super hot out here, and I've been working for a really long time. I probably got an extra 2 feet on this thing, maybe a foot and a half. But I think I'm done for today. Day 14, see you tomorrow. Gavin will be here. We'll definitely get 8 feet on this. So we're gonna do 8 feet on this end, and then just go all the way down there. Then we'll do 8 feet. It will have the 8 feet of width too. But yeah, it's super hot out here. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. What's up, guys? Day 14. Welcome back. So there's a small amount of bad news. It's that it rained yesterday, and that's not good, because when you're trying to build a hole, rain isn't the best thing. But luckily we have a drain. I haven't seen it yet, so I'm going there right now. I don't have any tools because I just want to take a look. So yeah, let's take a look. It's a lot cooler today, so that's a good thing though. Oh, okay, so yeah, this is a lot better than they expected. The drain worked perfectly. Okay, so it drained off all of this. There's a small puddle right there, but it drained off a ton of this. Alright, that's really good. Yeah, I'll go get a bucket and I'll start working on this. So I'll see you guys when I get a bucket. Alright, so I got a bucket and I got the scooper shovel. I'm gonna just try and get all this water out because I'm alone again. I think Gavin's gonna be coming later today, so you guys will see him in day 14, hopefully. Try and get this water out. This part is not too muddy. I mean, it's a bit muddy. It's a lot more wet than it was yesterday, but I definitely think we'll be able to work on that. The main problem is this part, but you know, it's not as warm and humid as it was yesterday, so it shouldn't be too hard. I don't know. Let's just get into it and try and get this done before Gavin arrives. If not, of course, he'll be here to help us. And yeah, again, after I finish this, so trying to expand. I did a lot of work expanding yesterday, so I'm gonna just keep trying to get this down and get 8 feet on this side. And once we get 8 feet on that side, we'll just work our way up all the way to here. This side is definitely not even close. It's just 1, 2, maybe like 2.5 feet. So yeah, that's basically it. Another time lapse, I guess. Time lapse. Alright, so it was hard, but I cleaned all the water out. It's completely dry in here. So yeah, I'll see you guys when Gavin arrives. We'll work some more today, but I'll see you guys when Gavin arrives. Peace.
What's up, guys? Outdoor Flying here. Welcome back to to my
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
What's up, guys? Day 15. Welcome back. Some more digging. We're trying to get 8 feet all around. So yeah, time lapse.
Echoing around these walls,
What's up, guys? Welcome back to day 15 or 16.
It's 16.
It's gonna be up here if it's day 15 or 16. So yeah, we're really close to getting 8 feet done. I think we can get that done today. 8 feet on all sides with the width at 8 feet. Yeah, we'll probably get that done today. Time lapse.
Sleep till I come home. Dream of something sweet. I will be there soon to wake you so discreet.
Okay, so end of day 15, and we have 8 feet at every single point. This thing is insanely big. So 8 feet wide at every single point of the bunker. Look how big this thing is. I have to back up. That's how big this is, just to get it in one frame. So compare this to the first hole we made like a year ago. This thing. This is insane. So end of day 15. End of day 15. Oh,
We have 8 feet wide.
that's insane, dude. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, hope you guys have a nice day. Really quick, before we get into day 16, make sure you guys like and subscribe, comment below, and just yeah, because it really helps out the channel, and I would really appreciate it. So yeah, let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to day 16. Yesterday, day 15, we got the 8 feet done everywhere. So it's 8 feet wide now everywhere. This thing is honestly insanely big. I don't even know if you guys can see how big this is on camera. It is huge. Like, I'm not even lying. This thing is absolutely huge. So yeah, I'm alone again today. Hopefully day 17 tomorrow. Gavin will be here with me, but yeah. So what I'm thinking of doing is actually starting from this corner and just starting to dig deep on this corner and then just evening it out and going all the way here. Here it's probably not even a foot deep, so this is gonna be hard, but no, we gotta do it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Let's go time lapse. Alrighty, what's up guys? Sorry if the lens have water on them. It is literally raining out here. Alright, it's raining here. Oh shoot. Yeah, it's super wet, but the grind does not stop. So me and the boy are out here.
Fucking go, bro.
Well, it might just be me, because he honestly looks like he's about to drown in the river currently. But yeah, grind don't stop, baby. It's raining right now, but we still out here. So yeah, let's do it. Hey, time lapse. What's up guys, thanks for watching the week 1 bunker building episode. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Gavin and I worked really hard on it, and I have a lot of new videos coming, so these new videos will be not just bunker videos, but a lot of different types of videos. I have cooking videos and a lot of that kind of stuff too. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it was a long video, but there was a lot of work we did, and make sure to stay tuned for part 2 of bunker building as well as other kinds of videos. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
I played it innocent, a feel of discontent.